Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to use VSTACK and HSTACK function in Microsoft Excel. I will explain you these functions with some example. So let's start without delay. So let's say here we have the India market data, name and sales. And here we have the US market data, name and sales. We want to create a single table appending this US data below the India's data. So what we can do here, we can use VSTACK function. VSTACK. In the VSTACK function, we need to provide the multiple arrays which you want to append vertically. First array we can take this one, and here I am taking the header also. Put a comma to take the second array, and we will take here only data. I'm not taking here this header, otherwise header will be duplicate. Close the bracket and hit the enter. Now here you can see we have first row as header, so you can change the color, let's say this one, and then we have data, and this data you can see till here, and this data for US market. Now if you will see here, we have this name duplicate because this name is coming here in India as well as in US market. So what we can do here, we can remove the duplicates from here. So we can use the unique function and just close the bracket and hit the enter. You can see now we don't have the duplicate. Now because this is sales data, we can sort it in proper order. The employee who is making the highest sale, we can show on the top. So before the unique, we can use the sort function, and the sort index we can take 2 because in this array we have 2 columns. One is the name and the sales, and we can sort it by the second one. Now the default sorting will be ascending, but here in this case we want to descending because we want to show the highest sale maker on the top. So select the descending, which is -1, and just close the bracket, hit the enter. Here you can see we have the highest sale maker on the top. Okay, so that is how we can use the VSTACK function in Microsoft Excel. I will show you some example of HSTACK function also. HSTACK function, whenever you want to add the data in horizontal way. In this case we were adding vertically. So let's take one example here. We have sales for every week. Here we have the employee name and sale for week 1. We have this table, and here you can see we have renamed this table as week 1. This is week 2, and this is week 3. You can work on the range also, but here we have created this table. Now let's say we want to create a one single output wherein first we will show the name, then week 1, week 2, week 3. We can use HSTACK function. And in the array 1 we can select this range. Automatically it is taking week 1 all, comma. Now from here we can take week 2 only, and from here we can take week 3 only, and just close the bracket, hit the enter. You can see here we have name and week 1 sale, week 2 sale and week 3 sale combined. Alright friends, so that is how you can quickly combine the data using the VSTACK and HSTACK function. We will show you one more example of the HSTACK function which can be useful in your case. Let's say we have want to buy sales here, and we want to combine from January till December 2022. We want to combine this data into one single sheet. We have the same employee in each sheet. So what we can do, we can go to the combine HSTACK data. Already I have created that formula. Let me remove this formula and I will explain you from the starting. So we can use here HSTACK function. HSTACK. Array 1 we can take from January. Let's select all. Okay. Array 2 we can take the combined one. We will modify the array 2 range. First let's take from the Feb. Okay, now here in this range what we can do, we can put the single quote sign here. After Feb put the colon and then type here last sheet, which is December. And because we need only sales, not the name, so we will take from B1 till B15 and just close the bracket, hit the enter. automatically it will take the data from all the seats coming between Feb to December. Okay, so just hit the enter. We are not taking for Jan just because we have already taken the whole data for Jan, means the names and the sales. Now just hit the enter. Using the single formula, we quickly have combined the data from multiple seats. For this trick, we can use VLOOKUP formula also. I'll quickly show you. Here I have done it using the VLOOKUP formula. Let me delete this data. To use the VLOOKUP formula, we have just put the month name here and we have put the employee name here manually. Okay, but here in the HSTACK, it is taking automatically everything. Now here we have used the VLOOKUP function, and lookup value we have taken this one, which is the employee name, and we will freeze the column because the column will remain same for every month, comma. Table array we can take, let's say from January, select these two columns, Jan A to B, just freeze this, press F4, comma 2, comma 0, and just close. So now it is taking from January. If I will copy this and paste here, still it will take from January because we have given this table array from January month. So we have to make this dynamic, and that is the reason we have taken here month name. So this is not only the month name, this is actually the seat name also. So now in this case, what we can do, make this as a text, this one, put the double quotation sign, and then we can use the indirect function, and let's close the bracket, hit the enter. So it is returning the same value. Even this is a text. Indirect function can convert a text into a range, which is in the range format. Now we can delete this Jan from here, and we can come here and select this reference. In this case, we will freeze this row number. So put the dollar here and put here end. So dynamically in place of Jan, it will take the data from this reference. Now this is done. We can quickly copy and paste this in whole range. Okay, so automatically it will pick up the relevant value from that particular seat. The benefit of this one is, if even you will sort the data in some different order, still it will take the correct value. And in the HSTACK, it will not take the correct value because here you can see the first employee and the value of this employee is 190. However, here it is taking 860 and the actual value is for this employee 860. You can see here. So this VLOOKUP is giving the correct value. We have to keep in mind these things while using the HSTACK function. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.